everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you are new. Hope you are doing good and safe. Today we are going to show you variety of dress materials, designer and daily wear materials. Please stay with me till the end of the video and let me know if you have liked our collections. All our collections are available at our website colorcubeonline.com and also you can WhatsApp us on the number given below. If you haven't checked our previous videos, do check out our previous videos and all our collections are available on our website. Let's begin our today's video. This is a sea green color Leheria printed top and it has beautiful neck, beautiful work done at the yoke level with the mirrors and a thread work. It has alternately white and blue color thread work done. And at the daman we have this patch along with the embroidery work and the mirror work done. And this is paired with Kota Doria dupatta, white color and blue prints on it. And this has tapings at the bottom. This is paired with cotton blue color bottom. The next color we have in the same design is it's pink Leheria, and we have the work at the yoke. And at the daman we have the embroidery work and Kota Doria dupatta. It has pink color printed design on it. And the bottom is a cotton material in pink color. The next variety is also a designer dress material and this is Chanderi cotton and it has all over prints with yellow color and green color combination, and we have the designer buttons at the yoke and also we have the gota piping, and at the daman also we have gota piping. And this is paired with Chanderi cotton dupatta and this is crushed material, and we have the embroidery work all over the dupatta with green and pink. And we have the golden zari piping all over the four sides. And we have the tassels at the end. This is paired with peachish pink and beige color cotton bottom. This is pure cotton material. And we have two colors in this, green and pink. And this one is having a kind of ikat design all over the top, ikat print design. And we have the kanta thread embroidery done all over the top. And at the yoke part, we have the buttons. And we have the sequences. And also the thread embroidery work done with green, maroon, which are looking very pretty on this green color. And this is paired with crochet dupatta, green color, and it has all over thread work done, and we have the lace also on the four sides. And at the bottom we have the heavy work done with crochet, and this is paired with cotton green color cotton bottom. The next color we have in this is pink color. It is paired with cream color crochet dupatta and we have pink color soft cotton bottom with it. The next variety we have also is a semi-stitched material and this is Chanderi silk material. We have the top and dupatta in Chanderi silk material, and this has the yoke embroidery at the yoke with sequence work done along with the tapings, and we have the prints all over, the block prints all over the top, and at the daman we have the gota lace, and for the hands also we have the gota lace. This can also be stitched as the elbow level hands or also as a long hands, whichever is comfortable for you. And this is paired with Chanderi silk dupatta, and this is in ash color with golden and blue color embroidery work done all over the dupatta. And this is paired with blue color cotton bottom. The next variety we have is semi-stitched dress material, and this is ash color cotton top, and we have the white color lace on the neck, and we have the buttons at the yoke part, and at the shoulder level we have a thread embroidery, beautiful thread embroidery work done along with the pearls in white color and ash color, and also we have the stones embossed in it. And this is looking very, very pretty. And we have, for the hands, we have the lace at the elbow level, and we have at the end of the hands. This can be stitched at the full hands or you can have it as a elbow level hands. And at the daman we have the lace again. Similar to the hands, we have two levels with the small lace, and also at the end we have the larger lace. And this is paired with ash color cotton bottom. This is the cotton flex dress material, and this is in black color, and we have ikat prints all over the top with blue, orange, white and ash color all over the top. And this is paired with blue color chiffon dupatta with prints all over the dupatta. And this is paired with blue color cotton bottom. The next variety we have is pure cotton, soft cotton ikat dress material paired with kota cotton dupatta. And this is green color, and we have three colors in it all. And this one is light green color, it's called pista green color, and it has black color, dark green color prints all over the top. And this is paired with kota doria dupatta with golden border all over the four sides, and also we have the temple design and the prints all over the dupatta with dark green color, and we have the tassels at the bottom. This is how the set looks. And this will not have any bottom, this is just top and dupatta. The second color we have in this is maroon, paired maroon with black color prints on it, and also it has ash color ikat design all over the top. And the dupatta we have is ash color kota doria dupatta with black color prints on it, and it has the temple design and the prints. And we have the golden zari border all over the four sides, and we have the tapings at the bottom. The third color we have in this design is yellow and orange mixture. This pure ikat cotton material, and we have the ikat design all over the top. And this is paired with yellow color dupatta, kota doria dupatta with orange color prints all over the top, and we have the design similar to the other two colors. We have the temple design and the golden zari piping all over the four sides, and we have the tapings at the bottom. This is how this looks. If you like our today's collection, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And all our materials are available on our website colorcubeonline.com, and also you can WhatsApp us on our number given below. Thank you.